What's going on, everyone? I'm Varun and I'm going to be guiding you through FTX, basically an exchange which I would like to recommend to anybody who's entering the space right now or who has been already trading in this space and really wants to figure out a perfect place to situate their equity where they can actually just go ahead for some staking, some margin lending, even derivatives, long and short positions, or regular spot trading as well, guys. This exchange is pretty wholesome, and most of the things that you would want to have as a trader are right here in front of your eyes, guys, in the FTX exchange, right? So, without any ado, let's jump onto the comprehensive exchange analysis, guys. Alright, guys, before we jump into the review itself, this is not a sponsored content. This is not a sponsored video at all, guys. This channel right now is not that big enough to host any sponsored video, right? Ta-da! So, guys, now once you actually sign up to this exchange right here, the links will be down in the description below. You will be greeted with this page right here. This is the welcome page for FTX itself, and you have some, well, quick conversion going on right here, guys, and you do have everything for that matter, as you can avail these features in this exchange, guys. You can trade futures, you can go for spot, you can go for stocks, and you can go for leverage tokens as well, guys. Volatility, prediction markets, fiat, and you can stake your crypto assets as well to make some passive revenue going on, right? Passive revenue going on. So, guys, now once you have completed your account sign up process, you can jump into wallet right here, guys. The exchange wallet itself will tell you all of your balances, and you can simply go ahead and you can hide your zero balances so that it will be completely cleared out, and precise information will be there in front of you, right? Now, let's just say if you trade a couple of assets here and there, and if you do have some teeny tiny bits of those assets lying around, you can simply go hit that convert dust button right here. It'll get you a code, and it'll let you, and it'll convert all those little particles, all those little assets which are lying here and there into FTT. Now, FTT is their native token. FTT is FTX exchange native token right here, guys. All right, so once you are actually sorted out with your wallet, guys, there are a couple of things that you can do right off. You can create multiple accounts under one main account right here, guys. This is the main account which I'm talking about. You can create several other accounts which can be your organization skills for that matter, right? You can organize your equity that way. So right here, if I would want to separate out an account for, like, if I want to go for some stocks, guys. For example, if I want to buy Apple stocks, right? But I don't want to keep my Apple stocks with my cryptos that I have just purchased through the exchange right here. So I would simply create a sub account, and I would just trade spots. I would just simply trade my stocks right here at my second account, right? That would just generally help you organize your stuff. Now, you can just go ahead and you can create as much as amount of sub accounts you can, but I would recommend you to keep them as less as possible. Now, guys, once you are sorted out the wallet and your sub account itself, you can jump onto settings, and you can see what goes on right here as well, guys. Now, generally, if you are putting any funds into this particular exchange right here, guys, you would want to have your Google authentication on, guys. This is a no-brainer right here. You want to have security in your funds. Now, what this exchange allows you to really have is multiple layers of security features going on right here, guys. Essentially, the first layer of security is going to be your Google Authenticate itself, and then you can set a withdrawal password itself, guys. You can whitelist your withdrawal addresses, and you can set 2FA for withdrawals as well. So basically, you will have two layers of 2FA codes to enable your withdrawals, essentially, right? Now, this is good amount of security going on for one crypto exchange itself, guys. Now, you can all right, now without any identification, your withdrawals will be limited to $1,000 per day per 24-hour cycle, right? Now, if you want to increase your withdrawal limits, guys, you can simply just you can do this. You can simply put your basic information right here. This does not require any KYC. This does not require any of your identification sharing for that matter. You don't have to share any national ID to increase your withdrawal limits to $9,000 per day. It's completely fine doing that. Now, if you want to go for that unlimited withdrawals, that is when you go for that KYC. That is when you go for that, let's just say, national ID verification or something like that, guys, right? Now, until then, you'll be completely fine. All right, guys, now here's one more thing which I wanted to show to you guys in the settings tab itself, which is going to be your margin right here, guys. Now, this is what enables your Alright, guys, this is how you can actually do a lot of things with your equity itself. If you enable spot margin trading right here, you can borrow assets, and, well, for example, if you see Ethereum at $4,000 for that matter, and you are willing to jump into Ethereum, and you don't have, let's just say, ample amount of funds, but you do want to have a position in Ethereum with some amount of leverage in terms of your holdings itself. I'm not talking about a long and short positions. I'm talking about your spot exposure, your holdings, right? That is when you can simply enable your spot margin trading right here, guys. Once you've enabled the spot margin trading, you can simply go to this tab right here, and you can go to spot right here, and then you can choose Ethereum for that matter. Right now, if I choose Ethereum right here, I get into Ethereum markets and I can enable margin right here. Now, guys, guess what happens? Guess what? Okay, all right. Now, do I have any orders open right here? No, this is quite strange. It's asking me to deposit using. Am I on the right sub account? Right. All right, guys. So now this is what went wrong. I was under a different sub account. This is why you got to keep an attention on which account you're operating with as well. If you have multiple sub accounts under one main account, right? Now, since I've enabled my spot margin trading, I had enabled spot margin trading in that account. Once I've enabled my spot margin trading, I can simply go ahead and simply just stick this one right here. And guys, guess what? I will be able to get a spot exposure on Ethereum all the way up to $350 right here, guys. Now I can simply go with a market order right here, and I can hit on margin buy Ethereum. It'll go for a confirmation. You can just simply close this one, guys. You can just go for I don't want any confirmations before purchasing, and it'll not pop up again and again, right? You can simply just place order, and there it goes. Now, what happens right here is something that you really have to pay attention towards, guys. Now remember what I was talking about. This is your base equity right here, and you enabled your margin exposure, and you were able to purchase $354 worth of Ethereum with $100 right here, right? Now, essentially what that means is you are in a negative 245. Now, guys, this is not your loss. You're not under loss. You basically have a spot position, a spot Ethereum position, a spot Ethereum long position, where you have borrowed the funds from the exchange itself, right? This is called spot margin trading, guys. This is not a derivative contract. Now, let's just say if Ethereum goes to 6,000 or something like that down the line, this value right here, this USD value would be, let's just say, going up by 60-70% like that. And you could just simply, once you just get going with that gains, you can simply return the funds back to the exchange, guys, and you can make gains that way. This is called spot margin trading. This is not derivative trading, right? This is simple spot margin trading. Now, since I have to demonstrate the derivative trading as well, and I will not be having enough collateral with this amount of negative balance right here, guys, I would simply go ahead. I would sell my entire Ethereum stash right here, guys. I guess this was 0.07994. Well, it was 0.08 Ethereum for that matter, but I'm going to go for this number right here, guys. 0.0799, right? I simply put this number right here, 0.0799 right here, and it would just go ahead with a sell order right here, guys. Now, without any confirmation right here, since I set that order, since I just removed that dialog box without any confirmation, it would go ahead, guys, and it would clear out my, well, let's just say any debt for that matter, any loan that I picked from the exchange. It'll just get rid of that, guys. Now, we are going to jump into derivatives, guys. Now, you can choose your markets right from this tab right here, guys. Derivatives are your futures markets, and this is where you can long gigantic, enormous amount of crypto assets for that matter, guys. You can take your long and short positions all the way up to 101x leverage using this exchange right here, guys. Although I do not recommend you to go all the way towards 101x, guys. This is going to be completely playing with fire. This is going to be totally a mess. If you simply go with a 101x leverage long exposure right here, guys, you will be liquidated with 1% down move. Basically, if your leverage slider is set all the way at 101x leverage, and you go for that long position in the market, guys, even if Ethereum goes down by 1%, your balance will go to zero. This is why you don't want to really go for 101x leverage, guys. Only digest the food. Only eat the food that you can digest. Otherwise, you'll end up puking, right? Otherwise, you'll simply end up puking, right? All right, guys. So now this is a regular derivative. Basically, essentially, there is no difference between this tab and this tab right here, guys. This is spot trading. This is derivative trading. All I did was just choose this one from there, and I'm here into derivatives, right? Now, for that matter, if I want to go ahead and I want to go for that long exposure on a 3x leverage on Ethereum for that matter, I just simply go ahead and pull this slider all the way up to 100%, guys. This is how much I can this is the amount of USD worth of position I can take on Ethereum in terms of my long exposure, right? Now, if I simply go to buy it without any confirmation, you have your position running in the market, guys. This is the execution speed which goes on FTX, guys. This is crazy, and you will have these. All right, okay. I was on a limit order right here, guys. This is a limit order right here, and my position is still not there in the market. But for that matter, I'm gonna go for a market order right here, and we will go ahead and we'll try to buy Ethereum. Okay, do I have? Okay, looks like we are into this position again. Holy crap, looks like I'm embarrassing myself trying to demonstrate this to you. But guys, you know the drill right here. I had a limit order set for Ethereum. Now, the prices went to those levels and I have my position in the market, guys. I have my position. Now, I can simply market close this one and it'll execute like this, guys. Blazing fast execution right here. And now if I go for a market order right here, yes, if I hit buy, immediately my position will be set into the market, guys, without any lag, without any latency. There you go. You will have your liquidation prices, you will have your market prices and average open prices and all the details right here, guys. This is going to be your positions right now. This is one thing which I completely forgot to address to you guys. Now, if you sign up to this exchange, you will not have this layout right off the bat, guys. You can simply change your layouts right here, guys. You can go ahead and you can unlock the layout and you can resize everything. You can resize the charts itself, guys. You can go ahead and you can do something like this, right? And you can really ease out your visuals, what you are seeing right here, guys. You really want to situate yourself in a comfort zone when you are wanting to trade in these markets, guys. This is why changing your layout, setting your layout according to the best thing that you can see right here in front of your eyes is going to be certainly helpful, guys. Certainly going to be helpful, right? Now, if I am done with my layout settings, I would simply lock layout and these things will not move anymore. Now, for my own personal trading, I want to reduce the amount of data which I want in front of my eyes, guys. This is why I simply go for the chart and this order form right here, guys, where you can buy and sell your any contracts, and this is your account exposure. This is the, well, let's just say this is your account data right here, guys. Your free collateral is this much. Your total collateral is this much. Your free collateral is this much. Your maximum leverage is this much right here, according to this slider right here, guys. Now. Since I had set my account in 3x leverage, I was allowed to take only $300 worth of long position in Ethereum contracts, right? Now, if I jump into the 5x leverage exposure, guys, you see the free collateral increases and I will be able to long Ethereum by another 200 contracts. And if I simply hit that buy button right here, guys, blazing fast execution, my position size has now increased. All right. Okay. My bad once again. I'm going to go to market order right here, and this is how the position gets in the market. And you can see, guys, the position increased right here. Your notional size increased right here, but your liquidation price is significantly up, which means that if Ethereum comes to $35, $82 levels, I will be wiped out of the market. My equity, my collateral right here will go to zero, guys. This is why essentially you do want to stay away from leverage in general, guys. This is why playing with leverage is equal to playing with fire, right? Okay, guys, now the demonstration is complete, which is why I am going to get rid of this position right here. And there we go. We are out of the market, right? We are completely out of the market without any problem right here. Blazing fast execution, you are away from the market itself, right? Okay, guys, we took a look at derivatives. We took a look at spot. We took a look at the wallet itself. Now, we're going to be jumping into lending, guys. Lending right here. Now, if you have your assets lying for free, let's just say if you have USDT or USD or the 1 inch or even stocks for that matter, Ethereum, BTC, anything lying for free, you can set these things up for lending, guys. Now, for this example right here, you can set your USD, your free USD in terms of your your free collateral right here, and you can set it up for a lending kind of thing going on, right? Where you can yield a simple 10% per annum, guys, which would be calculated every hour. It will be calculated every single hour, right? Now, if you have a couple of $1,000 lying around here and there just for free, you can simply put this up on this exchange right here, and every single hour you'll get that interest going on according to this annual rate right here, guys. And it is not just USD, it's not just BTC or Ethereum, it's everything which is available in this platform, guys. It is everything. It is all the stocks for that matter as well. You can put these things up for lending and you can earn your yields out of those lendings, right? Now guys, jumping on the staking itself, now FTT is, you have various assets to be staked right here guys, and every asset has their own different set of rules for staking and staking rewards for that matter guys. Now the most relevant staking is going to be FTT staking itself. FTT is their native token. FTT is FTX exchange native token guys. Now if you stake your FTT, here are the, you can simply go ahead, you can check out these details on your own. Now for that example, for that matter, if you have staked 25 FTT guys, you will be having a referral rebate rate of 28%, and guys, your airdrops, in this case you will get serum airdrops, SRM airdrops, it will be around 2%, right? And your free withdrawals per day will be limited to one guys. Now back in the days when there was a, guys, let's just say where there was not a lot of people trading these crypto assets right here, FTX allowed every single withdrawal as free guys. All the withdrawals in terms of stable coins, in terms of Ethereum or Bitcoin or any crypto asset, was completely free. Now ever since this exchange saw a huge influx of retail crowd entering the space, and guys, processing these small withdrawals were not really efficient for this exchange as a whole, they started putting the withdrawal fees itself guys. It was pretty obvious. It's not a sustainable kind of situation for the exchange itself, right? Now just to avail those free withdrawals, you can go and stake some FTT tokens and you will get these free amount of withdrawals guys, free amount of withdrawals per day, right? And if you stake FTT, you get free IEO tickets as well, right? For that matter, if you stake 150 FTT, you get one IEO guys. In our case right here, we are dealing with the Mercurial Finance IEO happening on FTX, and if you have 150 FTT staked into this exchange right here guys, you can avail these features and you will be getting a ticket to purchase MER tokens for a relatively cheaper price guys, very cheap, right? This is how you can participate in IEO as well, initial exchange offering guys, right? Now we took a look at staking and lending as well, and guys, like I mentioned, you have different staking rules for different assets right here guys. Most of these assets are from the Solana ecosystem itself guys. Well, let's just say the FTX exchange ecosystem itself guys. FTT, UBXT, Serum, FIDA, Sol, Ray guys. Radium and FIDA are two decentralized exchanges. Well, Serum is also a decentralized exchange itself, and you can stake these exchange token in FTX for your airdrops and for your rebates as well, right? Now guys, let's take a look at some important information as well before I really wind this video up. Well, now this exchange allows you to have anything as your collateral, right? You can have any of these assets right here, and you can long and short on Bitcoin or Ethereum for that matter guys, by having any of the asset which is listed for trading in this exchange itself. And you can simply just go ahead and you can long and short any of your assets in terms of the derivative position itself guys. Now what you will be going through is a little haircut, which means that if you have, let's just say if you have $100 worth of 1-inch token for that matter, you will be only allowed to go for a $90 long position guys. This is called haircut because these base assets are volatile themselves. You would be going through that little haircut going on, right? Now for that matter, if you have Apple stock as your equity, as your collateral guys, you can you literally have all these tokenized equities in this exchange guys, and you can literally base your main equity off of these assets, off of Apple, off of Baba right here, Alibaba guys, and you can simply take positions in Bitcoin and Ethereum for that matter, right? Okay, all right. The only thing that will go through is a little haircut, which is just minor, tiny bit of haircut, right? Whereas guys, if you look at these stable coins, yes, you will have zero haircut, you will have zero IMF factor. This is called haircut. Zero, basically if you have $100 worth of BUSD, you can take $100 worth of long position even in 1x leverage right here guys. And all the stable coins, HUSD as well has let's just say 1-on-1 ratio going on, right? PAX as well, 1-on-1 ratio, TUSD also 1-on-1 ratio right here guys. Now there is one more important thing which I really wanted to talk to you guys about, and it was in the wallet tab itself guys. Now the convert dust, I did talk about that. You have all of these data going on guys, all the positions, all the fills, every piece of data, all the trades that I just took guys, every piece of data right here, and the fees collected as well right here guys, every piece of data right here for you guys. Okay. All right, I guess I will be pinpointing out that little teeny tiny bit of detail which I'm quite missing out on this video itself in the Discord channel guys. So link to the Discord channel will be down in the description below, so come to the Discord channel guys. We will be closing out on some of the channels in that Discord channel itself when we are done with 100 users guys, and well, all these people, all the 100 users will be availing these services for free. After that, yes, it will be a paid service. In terms of a general analysis, guys, not a financial advice. These things will not be a financial advice. I will never tell you what to do with your own money, guys. You have to be diligent about what you are doing yourself in these markets. These markets are crazy any which way, right? So, guys, let me know down in the comments if you are feeling stuck up anywhere. I will try to answer all of the questions. And, guys, you can interact, you can communicate down in the Discord channel as well, guys. Links to Instagram and Twitter will be in the links as well. Alright, guys, I will catch you all in the next video pretty soon. Bye for now.